bubble wrap here on this one. Oh, okay, look at that. He give us safety glasses. I don't know why, but all right. And there are two, looks like RX-8 injectors. Paperwork is here, so we know what to do with these. I don't know what to do with these though. Why do we get these? Okay, this one here, they wrote on the outside, skip the line. That's good. That tells us, open this. Take care of me first. Instead of having it just in the box and we don't know. All right, paperwork is inside. Let's see what we got. The old paper towel wrapping. One of the most popular wrapping materials, paper towels or shop towels. So, some GDI injectors. Thanks for your patience, Larry. Drive safe, Ed. Okay, I don't know what safe Ed or who Larry is. I'm assuming they reused the box from something else. Okay. These look like older Toyota injectors, and looks like a cold start valve with a metric adapter head. Let's see. Well, there's more injectors. These just... Alright, and we got paperwork involved here, so we are good. Got this box here. Where the heck do you open this thing? Okay, so we got paperwork that says top feed for 4 injectors. And we got a light bulb box. $60-watt bulbs with 1 injector in there. They look like old Toyota injectors. Okay, 2 injectors, no paperwork whatsoever. I don't know what to do with those. Paper towels. So we got injectors, look like they got paperwork in here. Awesome. So thank you for following instructions. So whatever these are, they are numbered. There's paperwork in here. Let's see what we got. Some old hose end injectors. All right. All right, so we got some paperwork in here. Always a good thing. Very well wrapped. Like some Denso injectors. 5 of them. That's an odd number. Is that what they sent? They're supposed to send 5? Yeah, 5. Okay. Just making sure. Sometimes people say they send 6 and then we actually only get 5, so just got to make sure. This thing's got Scotch tape on it. What the hell was the open? Oh, here we go. All right, paperwork, always a good thing. So yeah, N54 injectors. Take a quick glance. Index 12s. They appear to be legit from the printing on it, so that's good. All right, see some paperwork, some individually bagged injectors. What do we got here? Some Nissan side feeds.